Viewers Global Window Han Aji Hotel Saramati de ahigine ase Aji Nagaland State Commission for Protection of Child Rights Nscpcr in collaboration with the District Child Protection Unit Dimapur organizes one-day awareness program on child rights and child protection. Aji date 19th September 2025 11 am de suru kurule ase ahibi tu laga program laga opore details precise abo.
Good morning to you all, esteemed dignitaries, guests, and all my dear friends. I welcome all of you who have come here to witness a one-day awareness program on child rights and child protection organized by Nagaland State Commission for Protection of Child Rights in collaboration with District Child Protection Unit Dimapur. Before we move on to the program, I would request our dear sir, Shri Abi Kazimomi, to please come up here and give a presentation to our esteemed guests. I take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to attend this one-day awareness program on child rights and child protection that is organized by the Nagaland State Protection for Child Rights in collaboration with the District Child Protection Unit, Dimapur, which is under the scheme of Mission Vatsalya, and in Nagaland, that is also under the Social Welfare Department. So I welcome all of you and bear with us to sit till the end of the session. Thank you.
It appeared to be the child rights in the first idea that was in the 18th century. There's there France Prasurukurusha. Then later on some few countries adopted. India Corona League of Nations after the First World War, Tatebra India Corona Tatebi child rights to importance to be man established Parnai. Then later on, after the Second World War, in the United Nations, which comprises of more than 100 nations, India Corona through Corona child rights importance to recognize. You are not here to come and participate as a listener. You are here, we feel that you have come here to learn something, and then accordingly you disseminate that information to the others. So that is the role which you have to play. And it is our fervent request that you all bear with us today. Thank you so much.
Aji yadi aman jama brado. Ekdom aman puila different organization kan bra inga awareness program logo nagi koigena kuti takise to amambi time na paina takise olibi aji amala chairman bra loigena idu awareness program aman so government service hobi civil societies kan bi hobi NGOs kan bi hobi aro bishi manu etu kan child protection laga NGOs kan idu children's home nishna ki ran kurabi bishi ase to ituhan ama ki puchai di bole to make us understand what is the right or what to be done for us itu ani dia gani. First of all, thank you so much. I won't take much time. Aji ami laga understanding do like aji Nscpcr itu ledo, one is the right of the children, the other is to protect them. Itu nishna pujas kilmani see as a child it is sergan kwa nishna. They don't know anything, but it is us. Amangan brahi pucha bolage. I request each and every one of you to kindly bhal bra last tak hunigena aman yati attend grado ekta benefit paigena jabo hoina bisas tangor bra ami time dia gani iman tak koi diase. Thank you.
Juvenile Justice Act there are two categories defined kurna ase. So we have the juvenile conflict with law and children who needs care and protection. Aji JJ Act laga kotha kobo koile do aji din brabe khotam na hobo edu ek hafta brabe khotam na hobo months brabe khotam na hobo idolan discussions chaise kole holiwe aji to moido ini in brief na moi amhan ke koi dibo juvenile conflict with law khan do kun khan ke ko ase kun pacha khan ke ko ase kole do a child below the age of 18 years khan who has committed a crime na crime kole do murder, rape, theft, robbery kan pacha kan with an adult na tangor manu kan bra muhan bra kunba bra thamkai she noli ahibi yadi jawo achi to itu kam kuro de koi gena muhan ina crime commit kura kan itu kan ke to juvenile conflict with law koi to itu juvenile conflict with law pacha crime commit kura kan do mohala district de Dimapur de kun bra sai golo do we have a juvenile justice board. I think they are present here today. To tahan ro sawo aro tahan do moi akede ko anishna pachakhan laga mental status tahan la capacity hesab ra tahan ke counseling dibo noli approach to in a child friendly atmosphere and approach ra tahan la cases to deal kuro to holi pachakta do crime commit kurishe tai rape kurishe murder kurishe to mohan bhavna kure tamor manugan nishina lock up te lui jawo noilibi jail de lui jawo ina bhavana kore holibi pachakan ke to ina no hoy below the age of 18 years kan do juvenile justice board kan bra pachakan nishina thana debi na rakhibo holibi pachara aji to moila case to lobole mon nai aji to moi statement dibole mon nai aji to moi do alchi lagi ase kotha kobole mon nai kole do we can easily extend na takan extend grow next date de noilibi they can even give a child na break dibo break di digina ta statement kan holiwi noli ta la cases kan do chulibo. Process is monitored by the CARA, Central Adoption Resource Authority, and in the state level we have the State Adoption Resource Authority. SARA hoina mala state de thakiase. To adoption do kya ase kole do next mohan Nagaland de do mohan bishibak adoption kole do illegal hi kure de bishibak itia tak to legally do hoa nai ina hunia ase aro pachakan illegally adopt kurishe pachakan luishe koigina pachakan school la documents kan nole further studies jawole time de pachakan documents lagya time de tara tarina court kan de takan declaration kan banawo takan la ki kan bishi run around kuria bishi dikhi pai ase so ki adoption kan kile illegal ase bole do mohala naga society de saishe bole do mai ki ekta bra pacha puki jaise pacha do paligole na pare mota rabi noloi gole do khor manu kan decide kurigina rape kurina kunba logole munasna na goina lukai gena ni khor majode kotha koigina dide na that is illegal aro kunba the hospitals khan na debi pacha khan paise baba amara chharigina jaise na kuna hospitals khan debi ini staffs khan ro ho pare we don't know holibi inaga kurna kunba nurses khan rabi loigena pacha manuke pacha na thanga khan ge pacha lugole mon thanga khan ge ini illegally adoption gurole de to idu khon pi thurishe kole to tanglan penalty bi thaki ase de koigena amhan ge janai de ase do under the JJ Act na adoption rules khan de wado parents khan ra conditions fulfill kurwa lage key conditions fulfill kurwa lage a couple who are adopting a child should have 2 years of stable marriage na 2 saal tak tahando stable marriage how thakibo lage. Second is adoptive parents should not be less than 25 years and not more than 55 years na 25 years and 55 years na majo o nije over kana do pacha adopt kurole na karo aro children of 3 or more kids na pacha nijora pacha tinta nile jada pasta thagya kan do pacha aro extra maniga pacha adopt kurole na thibo as per the rules. Next please. Adoptive parents needs to be physically and emotionally na mentally financially stable ho lage bacha ekta la future sabole karne do idu kan sob stable ho nai kari do mohan how are we going to build someone's future a good future a good family idu ase a single female can adopt a child of any gender na maiki ekta brado mota nali maiki bacha nali mota bacha do adopt korole pare holibi mota ekta brado a single male cannot adopt a girl child na mota ekta brado maiki bacha ekta adopt korole na pare itu to ki ase kile do because bacha maiki la safety lage ta la safety karne mota ge adopt kore single mota ge adopt kore na pare itu la issue se question kore the cases lama bishi thaki ase holibi I hope itu la nare ana understand kore parishona but in case amhan adoption to kina kuro lage ki kuro lage holibi na chane kina kuro kole do amhan you can always contact the SARA state resource adoption agency kan ke contact kuro le parebo holibi Kohima de jawa lage diktar ase na taratari ase ina bhavna krishi kole you can always call up for assistance na you can always call up 1098 te amnan call krishi kole do takhan bra in every angle in every way they will guide you and they will procedures can be kina kurwa lage guna guna takhan bra register kurina apnan ke help out kurwa
POSO means protection of children bacha hange from what here we are not talking about like physical abuse or domestic abuse bacha hange itu act protect from what from sexual offenses bacha hala opor de biya kam ho itu han bra protect this is a very small act ko de it's a very strict stringent act ekta bacha han karne Indian la bacha han ge protect kurule karne bonase prior to this mohan IPC itu han bra JJ act inga bra deal kore pulbi here utu time de hoishu bile do bacha ekta victim ekta rape victim ekta itu gibi in the same manner as adult victim ekta lo de deal kurule la hisab te ho jai aru yede dole do beshi briefly mihin de ko bacha child sexual abuse to ki ase itu bishi brief pra bishi categorize alak category bunai ne itu act olaise to kuma the repetition ho pare bolibi if there is a repetition just know that like itu point to bishi important ase itu kone repeat kore ase itu babili who is the victim under the POXO act again like victim kun ase we should a child and who is the child are below the age of 18 years ke bacha ina consider kore aru bacha bole to gender bacha la gender ke ase when we come again like talk about like molestation or rape ko shubile to all we can think about is bacha ekta maiki ekta la opore molest hoise rape hoise we can only think about like one particular gender agere condition again like in the Indian prior to the POXO act law thake dole do it was not gender neutral it protected only the girl child victim who sexual victim idu hange holwi yede POXO act padole not only protect the girl child but it also protect the boy child mota bi victim ho pare and not only that but it also protect the other gender mai kibi noi mota bi lo mohan kitewa do inya bi manuhan do ita do dikhina ase so the other gender the third gender itu gibi protect under the POXO act according to the World Health Organization report la hisab te shule do 1 out of 4 girls to le do victim of sexual abuse ina hoi aru out of 7 1 mota he hoi puli mota la cases kan Nagaland de bi ase aru we get cases related to child abuse mota victim na opore puli mota handu bishibak to le do open de nahe na idu ane mahan bishi nuhuni thayo pare bolibi child abuse kushile rape or sexual abuse ina do le do mota bacha hang odi bi hoy and the third gender laga pore bi hoy some of the this provisions bishi important ase ina I feel to idu han mention kule mo thayo mandatory reporting mandatory reporting ase POXO la do so you jare hunde because like most of the case bacha ita la case alishe school example, what do we call it? Amicably like settle good with it. I don't know report project. So bacha lado bishna project. But we report promo again mandatory as to box act up with it. So it will key will be also act like sabra report project bacha counseling. That physically who no mean will be bitorde mentally trauma face for it. So it will hand কি রিপোর্ট কইলে ইদুরা আছে আছে ডিসিপিও হামরা কইলেও কাউন্সেলিং হান লাগে বলে লাগে দিব ইহান কইনে যায় সো ম্যান্ডেটরি রিপোর্টিং ইদু রিমেম্বার করে লাগে বিকজ লাইক মোস্ট অফ দ্য কেস টু কম্প্রোমাইজ করব অ্যামিকেবলি সেটেল করব ইদু which has to be like discouraged আর confidentiality আগে ম্যাডাম চালি ভাবি মেনশন করা confidential রাখতে লাগে তারা तो तला आइडेंटिटी रिवील करा दो डायरेक्टली तला नाम कोई ने तला बच्चा इतु ला बच्चा से इतु कॉलोनी में से इतु भी है आजकल बिशप इतु भी मेंटेन करे से और भी इनडायरेक्टली रिवील भी हो जा रहा है किसी के केसेस पे इतु बच्चा नाम कौन है तला बाबा का नाम कौन है भी इतु कॉलोनी से इतु स्कूल से इट जस्ट रिसेंट also इतु स्कूल से क्लास में दे करे से itu school de this year transfer wase itu class ke pula se na to itu we directly tala nam khan ko lebi itu local itu area de holo since Nagaland is a closely state any sani bra jani jai itu reveal to jai so which has to be avoided mohan news press jani she ina pole bishi mon thake na lebi inga la cases de para tok to le do alok committee rakile if you are not the one like reporting to the police apni han bra tahana nam khan bi ini reveal no go lage and talking about consent be ekta bishi important ase because like consent ko shuli do bishi ba defense de na bachai to mujun do relation thakise idu ba he mujun boyfriend girlfriend ase idu ba moi talo de nya bia kushe nolbi ina koi ni bi age holbi Indian government bra bi আর মোহান সপি ইলেকশন দে ভোট দিয়া দলে দো কিলে 18 years and below ke election vote diule ne de ta tahan consent diule nole tahan voter strike bi dia ne to tahange edu nishna 18 years pra tahan la consent dia I will acha koine jabi itu consent will not be considered as consent at all itu that we have to remember to relation de se bura ekta 30 years bura ekta bra bacha ekta lode under age ekta lode biya kam proceed be with her consent we should be it will not be considered as consent at all our burden of proof it be important ekta provision ekta boxo de dia din thaya dole do bishi bak cases khan de se where ekta kotha ekta manuge murashe so ekta manura chor kuram de itu manura chor kushe ina kwa dole do itu manura ita dole do proof por lage tai chor kushe na kun complain kore se itu do proof por lage boli ye dekho boxo act do just opposite ita dole do bacha ekta ra tai ra opor itu manura mula opor de biya kam kushe bole do ita do kun culprit ase kun ge point kore se itu manura he moi innocent ase ina proof kore lage
E Act 2009 I mean Right to Education Act 2009 laga wadan de amihan sob right to education do sob madura bucha laga ekta ase gulibi itu la bithor de provisions bishi ase itu do as a lay person itu do bishi manura na chani na bi thakibo aro jana khan bi bishi thakibo itu karne moi briefly Right to Education Act laga provisions kan ki ase itu step by step olop koi na chawo Right to Education Act 2009 is an act to provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years till the completion of elementary education ede free education ko ase aro free ekla kwan hoina compulsory ko ase compulsory till the completion of elementary education class 8 khatam no hadak to free or compulsory education itu ko ase compulsory kwadam de mohan buchi paule ekta do pacha sob was de sob pacha do school de enroll ro lage itu ko ase aro some of the key provisions of RTE Act. Number 1 ki ase bole universal access to education. Bacha khan to kuntu jaga te thakilibi, busti te thakilibi, town te thakilibi, aro cities te thakilibi, sob bacha do education pawa lage ko ase. Kinaka geographical location, kinaka jaga te thakilibi, itu takhala right ase. Education pawa le lagalo. Aro complete financial protection di ase. Itu ki ase bole do ami han free gwadan de buji pai thakibo. Bacha khan school de chawle do bacha khan do fees dibole kam nai. Itu government school laga ko ase moi. Manu bishi bra mistake hoy. Government laga ko ase na private laga ko ase na. Tu government schools itu laga ko ase. Fees khan dibole dorkar nai. Iku charges na thakibo lage, donations khan na thakibo lage, except ami han board exams kan la fees kan nishina thake do na NPSC bar manga laga itu nohile do alak to sob free hobo lage na itu provision de inaga ase aro next to inclusive education for all itu mohan ajikali inclusive NEP 2020 de bi duguni inclusive education itu kwadan de pacha khan ekdam disadvantaged section of the society laga hubi aro children with special needs hobi with disability thaka bacha khan hobi sob bacha do school de enroll hobo lage takhala aro kunuba bacha khan school de ahole napara bacha khan bi thage takhala nature of disability bra itu khan gibi under samagra shiksha de tahan gibi provisions ase special training khan resource persons khan nishna itu khan bra tahan gi help out kre aro the Rights of Person with Disability Act 2016 bra itu 16 years tak thaka do 18 years tak extend gre itu takhala education paule laga rights to especially for children with special needs.
My respect for all the dignitaries on the dais and everyone present here. Amiman time nologo in short khatam kori dibo. I hope and believe that everyone will be aware of about the DCPU. DCPU ki ase bole to it's amikal office ka naam ase District Child Protection Unit koina ase aur itu to every district te setup hoina ase DCPU to it's amikal state level te child protection services and it's a centrally sponsored scheme implemented by the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India. And in Nagaland, it's implemented by the Department of Social Welfare. The DCPU is a fundamental unit in the district level for the implementation of Mission Vatsalya scheme. Under DCPU, we have 4 statutory bodies. That is, number 1, Child Helpline, CHL, at DCPU. It is the nodal child helpline unit at DCPU level to attend all the calls for help for children. Child Helpline 1098 is a 24/7 toll-free emergency number. Dimapur, being the commercial hub of Nagaland, has seen a concerning risk in child-related cases. Child safety and protection require a collective effort from all the stakeholders, including the government department, NGOs, and the citizens. So I wanted to request everyone present here that let us all work together to strengthen laws and policies, to address contradictions and gaps, to promote awareness and vigilance among the citizens, provide support and service for vulnerable children, and to be the voice for the voiceless, and create a safer and more protective environment for children in Dimapur district. Thank you.
My question here is just supplementing to one of our colleagues. Tai kwa laga dibi moi district administration ke ekta hodi bole mon taka do. Hoy homeless kan Dimapur di bishi ai aro yede Nagaland do Christian state ase churches subi families subi homeless kan gi morom dikina khwala bi bishi de. Itu khwala dia kan ni ami kan laga khor de agina chor gore crime bi gore. Boli bi etia yede colleague ekta pra huda nishina solution permanent bisaribo lagibo. To solution bisaribo karone district administration laga effort bi ki ase. Itu ekta question janibo mon jaise. Second question do it's related to a case. Aji nishina Nscpcr boa child rights and child protection laga iniga awareness taka to pishi pal program ase. Kolibi ade as a media mohan bi challenges face kora ekta question hodi bole mon taka to. Ek saal hoye ase ki ekta renowned pastor ekta bra Dimapur aro Chumukudi made bacha kan ke sexually assault kurise. Assault kurigina ajidak justice pa nai. Aro accused to ajidak police pora bi turigina nai. Yes. Nscpcr pora bi iman effort dia bi amikan dikhi ase. Kulibi inika nishina bacha kan ke justice delay kora to justice denied ase. To kanun rakhwala kan ki bi bharosa nataka ho jay. So inika nishina situation arise kora damde apni kan laga end pora bi key effort dia ase. Aro Jundo high profile case ase Chumukudi malaga. It will be renowned pastor. Moi naam nukobo. So mano jane. Inika nishina cases kandi solution na takile. Amikan laga ek alak koe. Itu laga ek koe. Itu laga ek koe. Ulibi bacha kan ki justice diya na gule. It will be thick nine hoy. Itu pra apni kan la end prabi key effort diya se noile. What could be the reason in delaying in solving this case? It will be ekta jane umon jaise. Thank you.
I think I have mentioned these things earlier also. Yeah, we are facing problem with these bakers. Or coalition train na jadan de bishai. So under Ministry of Social Justice, they can ekta smile project ko na. Ekta even Dimapur is also selected since last year. So ekta itu project to Grace International ko na. Ekta NGO bra pai na je. So last year I think they have sanctioned some amount for survey group. First phase, they have surveyed and they have submitted the report. So now they are waiting for the second phase, which they will collect all those bakers to shelter home, where they will train them with any like handicraft, no like kiki group where medical support will be there. Then from there they can get trained Gurina, around like they will be released so that they earn their own income by themselves. Indonesia, that is the program which the government has come up with, and Dimapur has been selected, and like I said, Grace International NGO edu saya. Then the other thing to like I don't what our officer, the police officer said. I think among any staff, my I mean like understanding though, because as a juvenile, they like minor say give a chore khan only the crime commit kuri only because of minor they have been released. Or that same person is coming. So I think Taila Bhavanado. If why don't we study on this also, and I think we can give report jointly to the government. It means the habitual offender garni or further give a like punishment. It alak punishment ekta ogule parvana na parvo Indonesia or coalition school dibi bullying kan thagi. Only since they cannot be punished because of minor Indonesia. I think we will have this kind of program afterwards also to discuss all these issues. Anyway, thank you.
So viewers, apne khan bhi huni paise aji laga awareness program laga pore. Aji more than 250 manu nishna aine awareness program de attend kurise. Itu iklan hoine Dimapur DC Dr. Tinuchung Shijang bi shamil thagishe. Iniga nishna ide charta speakers thagishe tahando Nscpcr laga members khan thagishe. Ide laga topic to juvenile justice, POCSO Act, aro children rights of education, aro last te tahan barbe Dimapur de kiman cases ase itu laga opor related tibi tahan report bi digine ase. Our global window bra exclusively Nscpcr laga chairman kotha ko homoi time de taige sawal uthaishi last year sob manu bi jane ki Pastor Robert Kikon lagao pore. Tai bra bacha khan ge from Dimapur and Chumugiri malaga bitore thaga kunba bacha khan ge sexually abuse kura lagao pore sawal uthaise. Tai ge itia bi durubule parish na nai নহ'লে তাই ফৰাৰ আছে বুলি কোতে আছে নহ'লে এতিয়া বাচ্চা খানকে সেক্সুৱেলি এবিউজ কৰি কিনে থকা খানকে জাষ্টিছ পাইছে নাই কৈ এইটো লগা ওপৰত বি সৱাল উঠাইছে হ'লে এতিয়া তাই চেয়াৰমেন ব্ৰা একো সৱাল দে নাই এটা একটা বেছি ডাঙৰ একটা সৱাল আছে এনেকা মেণ্টেলি টৰ্চাৰ কৰি কিনে ফিজিকেলি এনেকা সেক্সুৱেলি এবিউজ পাছৰ একটা কৰা লগা পৰে সব মানুহৰ বাবে কণ্ডেম কৰিব লাগে আৰু victim khan gi bi justice dibo lage koi ni bi janai di ase yede program de speakers khan ba bi janai shi ki bacha khan ge educate krubo lage hoi ami khan iniga awareness program khan do time to time iniga bi uthabo lage kile gule public khan ya mehan bi janigul dibo lage holi bi ide main role ami khan laga society no holi bi church khan di bi to laga pori bi education bi dibo lage aro being a parent ami khan parents khan bi hat di ne ami khan la bacha khan ge what is good touch and what is bad touch no holi bi ite concerning issue rape cases khan molestation cases khan opor uthala opori tahan ba janaise aro tahan ba bi koise ki around 80 to 90% in offenders khan do victim ge jita jana manu khan bra ase ko inase aro do POCSO act to June 19 2012 te implement krise iniga hoine etu laga POCSO act ula pichide ami khan dikhi pai ase ki hoy inega victims khan gi bi bishi justice bi ani di ase ko ini tahan ba bi janai di ase aro bacha khan ke holi bi right to education khan du bi bhal ba janibo lage aro child labor khan du bi stop kurubo lage judi ami khan ghorde kam kora manu khan rakhi ase guli bi nijor laga bacha ke morom kora nishna kurubo lage aro judi inega cases khan thagi shuli child helpline 24 hours khule du number 1098 dial kori tahan gi etu laga opor bi janai dibo pare ko ini bi di আছে আৰু DCPO ডিমাপুৰ বজানাই শিকি ডিমাপুৰে ওপেন শেল্টাৰ একটা আছে আৰু 7 চিলড্ৰেন হোম আছে গুছে টোটাল মিলাইনে 8টা আছে আৰু তো লাগা ক্যাটেগৰি देयर आर वेरियस कैटेगरीज অফ কেसेस উইথ ৰিগাৰ্ড টু চিলড্ৰেন ইন নীড অফ কেয়াৰ প্ৰটেকচন হিদে ইতুহান লাগা ক্যাটেগৰি লাগা বিতৰে চাইল্ড অ্যাবিউজ নহলি বি ৰান অৱে নহলি বি মিসিং ষ্ট্ৰীট চিলড্ৰেন child marriage no libi abandoned children khan laga cases khan bishi ahigine ase to total number child need of care protection produced before child welfare committee to 310 ase koine ase our total number disposed by the child welfare committee is 299 our total cases pending is 11 our total cases that the child helpline have received since September 2023 to August 2025 is 499 our total number of juvenile justice board from January to August 2025 to dosta ase our total number of cases disposed by juvenile justice board to tinta ase to total cases of pending to 12 ase ko ini bi tahan bar janai di ase to aji gane man ase for more news and update keep watching Global Window. This is your reporter Yaungamla with my camera person Anungai Jamir reporting from Hotel Saramati Dimapur.
Everyone said 22nd September. We said now. Avail GST benefits starting 6 September 2025. Own your new vehicle at lower price. Get up to rupees 1.56 lakh. Visit Apex Motor Mahindra and order now. Call 6909 316156.